We are going to discuss about the mechanism of insulin secretion. Here we have the diagram of the beta cells and the adjacent blood vessels. Now, as we know that insulin will be secreted in the response of increased blood glucose, so the first step will be the entry of glucose inside the cell through GLUT2 proteins. As glucose enter, it will be processed through the glycolysis and the ATP will be generated. On the other side, there are some specialized potassium channels. These usually allow the leaking of potassium ions outside the cell membrane. But what's so special about these potassium channels is they are ATP sensitive, means they stop working in the presence of ATP. This will lead to the accumulation of the positive charged potassium ions inside the cell membrane, and that will cause depolarization. Now, when the depolarization will occur, it will activate the calcium VGCs, voltage gated channels. These channels will open and allow the leaking of calcium ions inside the cell. And the calcium will do its classical function of promoting the exocytosis, and that will release the insulin vesicles outside the cell membrane. Now some additional points are that these GLUT2 proteins doesn't require insulin for their functioning, means they can work independent of insulin. Another important point is that there are some drugs known as sulfonylurea. They will inhibit the potassium channels, means they will act like the ATP, and the inactivation will lead to the depolarization and the insulin release subsequently. Means they can be used in the diabetic patients and increase the release of natural insulin. And the last important point is that the insulin secretion can also be triggered by some GIT hormones and the products of the glycolysis. That's all for this video. If you find it useful, please like it and subscribe our channel for more such videos. If you have any suggestions, please let us know in comments below. Thank you.